Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by taking control. Park on level ground, set the brake, and chock the opposite wheel so nothing moves. Apply penetrating oil to the damaged lug nut and surrounding threads and let it soak for 10-15 minutes to break corrosion bonds. While that soaks, fit the correct socket and try a steady low-angle pull with a breaker bar. You want gradual force to avoid shearing. Once you get slight movement, stop and reassess so you don't worsen threads or break the stud. If the breaker bar fails, switch to an impact wrench or a hammer-on extractor. The repeated impulse blows loosened stuck threads more effectively. Once done, make sure to use a tight-fitting extractor and strike carefully. Too hard and you can mushroom the nut further. If the nut simply spins on the stud, clamp locking pliers onto the nut or weld a sacrificial nut to create a new surface to turn, then use the extractor. If visibility or access is blocked, remove the rotor or hub to get a straight line on the stud. After removal, clean the stud threads with a wire brush and chase them with the correct tap to restore fit. If the threads are too damaged, replace the stud. Install a new lug nut and torque to the manufacturer's spec. Once done, lower the vehicle and retorque after 5,100 miles. If a stud breaks during removal, stop. You'll need a stud extractor or to press out the remaining stud and install a new one. Continuing to force a broken stud risks hub damage and unsafe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.